Oh. ॐ साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ साईत्रयाय विद्महे संजय बाबाय धीमहि तन्नः सर्वः प्रचोदयात्। वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेव महेश्वरा गुरु साक्षात् परम ब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। Om Shri Sai Ram. Our humble pranam at thy divine lotus feet of our beloved Bhagwan, our God and our Guru, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. We now offer Prema Bhava and birthday songs at thy divine lotus feet, Bhagwan Baba.
உள்ள வர முடியும்.
कामना
चिरायु को शुभकामना जन्मदिन को शुभकामना जन्मदिन को शुभकामना
La 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 la.
நீண்ட நீண்ட காலம் நீ நீடு வாழ வேண்டும் வானம் தீண்டும் தூரம் நீ வளர்ந்து வாழ வேண்டும் நீண்ட நீண்ட காலம் நீ நீடு வாழ வேண்டும் வானம் தீண்டும் தூரம் நீ வளர்ந்து வாழ வேண்டும் அன்பு வேண்டும் அறிவு வேண்டும் பண்பு வேண்டும் அறிவு வேண்டும் அன்பு வேண்டும் அறிவு வேண்டும் பண்பு வேண்டும் அறிவு வேண்டும் எட்டு திக்கும் புகழ வேண்டும் எடுத்து காட்டு ஆக வேண்டும் எட்டு திக்கும் புகழ வேண்டும் எடுத்து காட்டு ஆக வேண்டும் உலகம் பார்க்க உனது பெயரை நிலவு தாளி எழுத வேண்டும் உலகம் பார்க்க உனது பெயரை நிலவு தாளி எழுத வேண்டும் சர்க்கரை தமிழள்ளி தாலாட்டு நாள் சொல்லி வாழ்த்துகிறோம் பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துகள் பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துகள் இனிய பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துகள்
Joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire, joyeux anniversaire. Cumpleaños feliz, cumpleaños feliz, te deseamos todos cumpleaños feliz.
С днем рождения тебя, с днем рождения тебя, с днем рождения, с днем рождения, с днем рождения тебя. 생일 축하합니다. 생일 축하합니다. 지구에서 우주에서 제일 사랑합니다.
Mutlu yıllar sana, mutlu yıllar sana, mutlu yıllar, mutlu yıllar, mutlu yıllar sana.
Zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag viel Glück, zum Geburtstag, zum Geburtstag, zum Geburtstag viel Glück.
Tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri a te, tanti auguri felici, tanti auguri a te. Eid Milad Saeed, Eid Milad Saeed, Eid Milad Saeed ya Azizi, Eid Milad Saeed. 祝你生日快乐，祝你身体健康，祝你万事如意，祝你发财新年好。
Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
F2
Sri Sai Ram. Loving Koti Pranam at the divine lotus feet of my God and my Guru, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Happy birthday to you, Bhagwan. It's Bhagwan's 33rd birthday, and this is will. It becomes the 4th birthday of Oman chapter. It is one and only Sai who ever takes care and protects those who love him. God is all love. My God, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai, is the eternal mother in every mother. My God, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai, is the eternal father in every father. My God, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai, is the Trinity, Brahma, the generator and creator of each life, Vishnu, the operator and sustainer of each life, Maheshwara, the destroyer of all negativity and showers bliss. Swami's birthday is our birthday. This year's theme is Antar Chintan, living with God with values. Living with God with love and values. Living for God, showing love to everyone and serve. Living in God is realizing ourselves, which is Atma Chintan. This is the theme for this year. Bhagwan, help us always realize you and love more and more people. Because when we love more and more, we know Bhagwan showers his love more and more. Oh, my dear Sanjay Sai Bhagwan, you know me before I came to you. You caught hold of my hand before I trusted you. You cared for rescue before I called out. But please never leave me, dear Swami, before I realized you. Because the life is to realize Bhagwan. Help me to realize you in this Janma. With this word, we from the Oman chapter will take Sai Prem Ki Jyoti. You know, we are offering this song on your birthday by the Oman chapter. Happy birthday, dear God.
साई प्रेम की ज्योति लेकर निकल पड़े हैं हम, साई कृपा से हरेंगे हृदय हृदय का दम। साई प्रेम की ज्योति लेकर निकल पड़े हैं हम, साई कृपा से हरेंगे हृदय हृदय का दम। तेरा साथ है तो हमें यकीन है, छूना गगन को मुश्किल नहीं है। तेरा साथ है तो
invite Appa, as we fondly call, Mr. K.S. Iyer, to offer his song and his birthday wishes.
Chitrama.
Appa too.
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Sri Sanjay Sai Madagaram Mangalam. Sri Sanjay Sai Madagaram Mangalam. Sri Chakravasini Janam Subhamangalam. Shri Janavasini Janam Shubhamangalam. Vishwarupa Jagannatha Janam Mangalam. Vishwarupa Jagannatha Janam Mangalam. Vedanta Saradeva Janam Mangalam. Vedanta Saradeva Janam Mangalam. Dharma-shakti Sanjay-rupa Janam Mangalam. Dharma-shakti Sanjay-rupa Janam Mangalam. Sri Sanjay Sai Mata Janam Mangalam. Sri Sanjay Sai Mata Janam Mangalam. Sri Chakravasini Shubham Mangalam. Sri Chakravasini Shubham Mangalam. Shanti Prema Swarupa Janam Mangalam. Shanti Prema Swarupa Janam Mangalam. Bhakta Paripalana Janam Mangalam. Bhakta Paripalana Janam Mangalam. Brahmanda Nayaka Janam Mangalam. Brahmanda Nayaka Janam Mangalam. Sri Sanjay Sai Nayaka Janam Mangalam. Sri Nayaka Janam Mangalam. Sarvajana Janam Mangalam. Sarvajana Rakshaka Janam Mangalam. Sri Sanjay Sai Mata Janam Mangalam. Sri Sanjay Sai Mata Janam Mangalam. Sri Chakravasini Janam Subhamangalam. Sri Chakravasini Janam Subhamangalam. பாடிக்கொண்டே பாபா உன்னை வாழ்த்தி வணங்குகிறோம்.
ஆடிக்கொண்டே பாபா உன்னை வாழ்த்தி வணங்குகிறோம்.
பிறந்த நாள் தினத்தில் உன்னை வாழ்த்தி பாடுவோம்.
பிறந்த
நாள் தினத்தில் உன்னை வாழ்த்தி பாடுவோம். வாழ்த்துகின்றோம் பாபா வாழ்த்துகின்றோம். வாழ்த்துகின்றோம் பாபா வாழ்த்துகின்றோம். தந்தை தாய் பாபா உன்னை வாழ்த்து வணங்குகிறோம். தந்தை தாய் பாபா உன்னை வாழ்த்து வணங்குகிறோம்.
Unmute yourself, please.
Yeah.
Sairam.
Brother Kumar Iyer.
Om Shri Sai Ram. Om Shri Sai Ram. Koti Koti pranams at the divine lotus feet of our dearest Sai Ma, Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Wishing you a very happy birthday, Swami, from all of us. We are so blessed that we got this opportunity to offer birthday wishes in Gujarati, which we would like to offer at the divine lotus feet. Sai Ram.
स्वामी जन्म दिवस अभिनंदन 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 स्वामी जन्म दिवस अभिनंदन नवल वर्षना नवयुग बदले नवल वर्षना नवयुग बदले भक्तों एक अंतर चिंतन भक्तों एक अंतर चिंतन स्वामी अभिल गुलाल ने अक्षत कुमकुम अभिल गुलाल ने अक्षत कुमकुम अर्चन फूल ने अर्चन चंदन अर्चन फूल ने अर्चन चंदन अभिनंदन अभिनंदन स्वामी जन्म दिवस अभिनंदन 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 स्वामी जन्म दिवस अभिनंदन 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 स्वामी जन्म दिवस अभिनंदन जन्म दिवस अभिनंदन जन्म दिवस अभिनंदन
Rama Kanal.
Om Shri Sai Ram, humble pranam at the lotus feet of Bhagwan Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. Bhagwan Baba, this is offering at the lotus feet on 33rd birthday. Wishing you a happy birthday, Swami. हजुर को जन्मदिनमा शुभकामना चढाउँछौँ हजुरको जन्मदिनमा शुभकामना चढाउँछौँ हजुरको शिक्षालाई विश्वभरि नै फैलाउँछौँ हजुरको शिक्षालाई विश्वभरि नै फैलाउँछौँ सत्य धर्म शान्ति प्रेमले जगलाई खुसी पार्नेछौँ सत्य धर्म शान्ति प्रेमले जगलाई खुसी पार्नेछौँ बाबा 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 श्री संजय साई बाबा 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 श्री संजय साई बाबा Happy birthday to you, Sai Rama. Happy birthday to you, Sai Rama. Happy birthday to you, Sai Rama. Sai Rama.
Vasanta Ramesh. Sai Ram.
Happy birthday to you, Sai Ram. My humble offering at your lotus feet. பிறந்த நாளின்றே சாயி உந்தன் பிறந்த நாளின்றே பிறந்த நாளின்றே சாயி உந்தன் பிறந்த நாளின்றே பாரெல்லாம் போற்றிடவே மாந்தர் தம்மை உயிர்த்திடவே பாரெல்லாம் போற்றிடவே மாந்தர் தம்மை உயிர்த்திடவே பிறந்த நாளின்றே சாயி உந்தன் பிறந்த நாளின்றே தர்மத்தை காத்திடவே அவதாரம் எடுத்திட்ட தர்மத்தை காத்திடவே அவதாரம் எடுத்திட்ட சாயி உந்தன் பிறந்த நாளின்றே சாயி உந்தன் பிறந்த நாளின்றே பிறந்த நாளின்றே பிறந்த நாளின்றே பிறந்த நாளின்றே.
Brother Ratnakumar.
Kodi Kodi pranams to the divine lotus feet. Dearest Bhagwan Sanjay Sai Baba, happy birthday to you. I am delighted to offer a sonnet in Malayalam on your auspicious divine birthday, 33rd birthday. Prema Swarupa Sai Natha Prema Swarupa Sanjay Baba Prema Swarupa Sai Natha Prema Swarupa Sai Baba Karunamayane Niloga Sayujame Nitannayanorastrayavum Abhayavum Natha Sanjay Natha നീയല്ലാതൊരു അഭയമെനിക്കില്ല അവിടും നീയഗതികൾ കാശ്രയമാകൂ അവിടുത്തെ ചരണങ്ങൾ കൃത്തിൽ വിളയാടൂ സതതം വിളയാടൂ സതതം പ്രേമസ്വരൂപ കരുണാമയനേ ശിവനും നീയേ ശക്തിയും നീയേ രാമനും നീയേ കൃഷ്ണനും നീയേ പ്രേമസ്വരൂപ സഞ്ജയനാഥ സായിനാഥ കരുണാമയനേ നീലോക സായുജ്യമേ മംഗളമൂർത്തേ നിൻ മഹത്വം പാടാൻ എനിക്ക് ജന്മം മാത്രമോ നാഥ പങ്കജനേത്ര അവിടുത്തെ ഭക്ത ദാസനാവാ അവിടും ദേഹിയോ അനുഗ്രഹത്തെ വാഴ്ത്തുവാനൻ നാവു പോരാ നാഥ സായിനാഥ സഞ്ജയ് ബാബ പ്രേമസ്വരൂപ നിൻ സ്മരണയിൽ നിത്യം നിവസിക്കാനാകട്ടെ എൻ ചിത്തതാ പ്രേമസ്വരൂപ സായ്നാഥ സഞ്ജയ് ബാബ പ്രേമസ്വരൂപ പിറന്നാൾ മംഗളം പിറന്നാൾ മംഗളം പിറന്നാൾ മംഗളം. Beloved Baba, without cleansing our mind, cleansing our soul, removing all the negativity from our heart and soul, there is no point in bhakti. And we are continuously striving to be better person day by day with your guidance, divine guidance. And we hope that in Oman, our chapter will grow grow to greater heights with your blessings, and we will be able to add value to the society in which we all live in. Samasta Lokha Sukhino Bhavantu. വളരെ സന്തോഷം സ്വാമി ഈ മംഗളമുഹൂർത്തത്തിൽ ഈ പരിപാടിയിൽ പങ്കെടുക്കുവാനും മലയാളത്തിൽ മാതൃഭാഷയിൽ ഈ ഗീതകം പാടാനും കഴിഞ്ഞതിൽ. കോടിക്കോടി പ്രണാംസ് once again സ്വാമി. Let all be blessed. Let all be happy. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.
Lata Ishwar.
Sairam Swami, our birthday wishes to at your lotus feet. आज के शुभ दिन में अवतारे साई, हम सब गाएंगे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बाबा. साई महान अपनी धरती पे आए हैं, परती में उनकी हम दर्शन पाएंगे. हम सब गाएंगे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बाबा. विश्व शांति के लिए अवतार लिए साई, आओ हम मिलकर उनके चरण में जाएंगे. हम सब गाएंगे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बाबा. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू स्वामी. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बाबा. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू स्वामी. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बाबा. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बाबा. हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू बाबा. आज के शुभ दिन में अवतार लिए साई, हम सब गाएंगे हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू स्वामी. हैप्पी बर्थडे बाबा. साईराम.
Prema Venkat.
Humble pranams at the lotus feet of Baba. Happy birthday to you, Baba. We wish you, please guide us and guard us, help us all from all the difficulties. Jai Jai Sairam Swami. Accept our token of love from our side.
Samita. Samita. Samita Sairam from Nepal. We'll come later. Valli. Valli, can you offer your wishes?
Unmute yourself only. Sai Ram.
Loving pranams, dear Bhagwan. Janmadina Subhakanshalu Swami. Please guide us. Please hold our hand and please guide us, Swami. Love you, Swami.
Vijay Ganesh.
Koti Koti pranams to the Divine Lotus feet, Bhagwan. It's a wonderful day. It's a birthday of everybody because you are the Antaryami. You are everything to us, Bhagwan. You have granted us everything. So we are very, very grateful to you. Till the last breath, we should be serving you, Swami. Please use all of us as your instruments, Swami. Swami, please, this year has been named as the year of Antarchintan. Please make us go inward more and more, do more and more of Antarchintan, so that we can realize who we are, so that we can be of service to you, Bhagwan. Thank you so much. Thanks again and again. We're just grateful to you for everything, for the new addition in the family too. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Jai Sai Ram. Very, very happy birthday to you, Swami. Sai Ram.
Naveen.
Pranams at the Divine Lotus feet of Swami. Wish you a very happy birthday, Swami. This is a
very happy birthday, Swami.
This is a gracious occasion, joy and celebrations for all of us. At this occasion, we pray for love, peace, joy and light for the entire world and humanity.
Very happy birthday, Swami. I love you so much, Swami. I made this for you, Swami.
Sai Ram.
Sujata Murli.
Sai Ram. Koti Pranam Swami. Happy birthday to you. I would like to offer one small song. आप जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000 आप जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000 जन्मदिन रोज आता रहे लेके किरणों के मेले
Please.
It's frozen, I think.
We'll now move on to Yamuna. Yamuna Raghu. Is Yamuna there? Okay. We'll go to Amashri now. Amashri.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Baba. Happy birthday to you.
Very good, Kanna. Next, Mekala.
Happy birthday, Swami. Happy birthday, Swami. Happy birthday, dear Swami. Happy birthday to you. Koti pranams to Swami. You are there, Swami, for all our vendors. Why should I fear? There is no fear. You are here. You are always here with us. Thank you.
Vandana and Radhakrishnan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Swami. Happy birthday to you. This is a small offering to our Lord. Birthday. Thank you so much, Swami, for everything you have given to us. Thank you so much.
Chitrama, the net got disconnected, I think, when I was.
Yes, Sujata, you can continue.
It's finished now.
Sai Ram, Koti Pranam Swami, happy birthday to you. आप जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000 आप जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000 जन्मदिन रोज आता रहे लेके किरणों के मिले बाबा मुस्कुराते रहे हर दिल मुस्कुराते रहे रोज आते रहे हृदय में झूलते हुए आशीर्वाद सबको देते आप जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000 आप जियो हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50,000 हैप्पी बर्थडे स्वामी
Happy birthday, Swami. Koti Pranam. Thank you, Swami. We love you. Sai Ram.
Himani Bisht. Himani, yeah.
Yes, ma'am. My Koti pranams to Swami. Happy birthday, Swami.
NS uncle. Is not very well there. Okay, no problem. Gopal, brother Gopal from Chennai.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Swami. Koti Pranam. You have guided me a lot in the past. Continue to guide me and make me to pray for you.
Happy birthday.
Charan's first Swami.
Kodi Pranams Charanam. Kindly bless us.
Chitra Raman.
Yamuna has come. Yamuna is there. Yana uncle.
Yamuna.
Vijima.
Yamuna. You're mute. Unmuted. Yamuna, you are
Sai Ram Baba.
Brother Harshad Karna. Harshad Bhai, you can offer.
Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram, Sai Ram. कोटि कोटि प्रणाम प्रभु के चरणों में. Many returns of the day स्वामी. जब से हम आपके सानिध्य में आए तब से मेरी यानी मुझे लगता है हम सबकी लाइफ पूरी तरह से बदल गई है. एंड वी आर ए वेरी बहुत ही डिवोशनल फैमिली है. और आज के ये शुभ अवसर पर मैं सबको हार्दिक बधाइयाँ देना चाहूंगा प्रभु के 33वें जन्मदिन पर. इस कोविड सिचुएशन में हम शायद सब नेपाल नहीं जा पाए, फिर भी हमें बहुत ही अच्छा दर्शन हुआ लाइव से. इसके लिए प्रभु को बहुत सारा मेरा धन्यवाद हम सबकी ओर से. और फिर से और लोगों को भी मौका देना है. Many returns of the day. Swami, happy birthday to you. Sai Ram.
Anupam Shwan. Anupam. NS uncle. Okay.
Happy birthday, Swami. Happy blesses, Swami. Loka samasta sakino bhavantu. Swami, I hope my prayer reaches you. I want an integration from you, Swami. Bless us very much, Swami. This is my wish, Swami. We always think of you, Swami. You are great, great, great.
Sairam Baba, Sairam Baba. We seek your blessings always. Sairam, Sairam. Samasta lokaha sukino bhavantu. Samasta jivaha sukino bhavantu. Sairam.
Yamuna Raghu, please unmute yourself.
Swami, Sai Ram, happy birthday to you. Many, many happy returns of the day. We love you and please bless us. Bless our family on Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Sai Ram. Thank you.
Now I call upon Sushma Sharma.
Happy birthday to you, Swami. Kodi pranams to you. May all be blessed.
Lakshmi.
Namaste, Baba. Janmadina Ashamsagal. Thank you, bless us always. And thank you for your blessings.
My humble pranam to Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. भगवान जन्म दिवस की खूब 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 वधारे 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 शुभकामनाओं.
Rupali Kale in Marathi.
Chitrama, it's muted. Rupali, we have not heard anything. It's muted.
Namaste, Baba. My humble koti pranams at the divine lotus feet of our beloved Baba. आजचा दिवस आमच्यासाठी खास आहे. तुम्हाला उदंड आयुष्य लाभो, मनी हाच ध्यास आहे. वाढदिवसाच्या खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.
Now in Bengali. Deba will do.
Happy birthday to you, Baba. শুভ জন্মদিন, অনেক শুভেচ্ছা, অনেক অনেক শুভেচ্ছা.
Sorry, Chitrama.
Yes, yes.
One second. Called me and, yeah.
Happy birthday, Swami. We all love you.
Anupam.
Happy birthday, Swami. ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਜਨਮ ਦਿਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ ਹੋਣ. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਆਸ਼ੀਰਵਾਦ ਸਾਡੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਬਣਿਆ ਰਵੇ. ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਹੁਤ ਸ਼ੁਕਰੀਆ. ਸਾਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਣੇ ਰਹੋ. ਧੰਨਵਾਦ.
Ganesh wants to wish.
Yes. Yes, brother Ganesh.
Sai Ram. My koti pranams to Swami. Happy birthday to you, Swami. Seeking your blessings and guidance and grace in everything what I do. Let there be peace and harmony everywhere in the world. Your blessings, Swami.
NS, because I'm not able to, one name is there, NS, because
NS uncle has spoken. He has spoken. They have spoken.
Yeah.
NS uncle has spoken.
Okay. Everybody offered birthday wishes to Swami because we wanted to reach out with 33 languages and that is done. For 33rd birthday in 33 languages, the wishes are expressed and more than 33 people are here. Now, last but not least, Shanti will.
offer.
Happy birthday to you, Swami. We love you.
So I hope everyone has expressed. Samita. Samita.
Yes, Amma. Sai Ram. Happy birthday to you, sir. Amma.
Happy birthday to Saima.
Saima.
In Nepali language, you want to say something?
जन्मदिनको मङ्गलमय शुभकामना जन्मदिनको मङ्गलमय शुभकामना भगवान बाबाको दीर्घायु सुस्वास्थ्यको कामना गर्दछु
Chitrama from our house, our helper, she would like to wish Narsi.
Happy birthday, Baba.
Whomsoever are there, everybody to participate, because Swami's love is like rain. No distinction of the race or the color of the face. Nature's gifts are always there for rich or poor. So, everybody expressed. Hemashri's father.
Happy birthday, dear Baba.
Last but not the least, I would request Mr. Sanchita Koirala to express her birthday greeting.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhagwan Baba. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Bhagwan Baba. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray. Hip hip hooray.
We have Shamin Askar. Shamin.
Good evening, everyone. Happy birthday to you, dear Baba. Wish you many more returns of the day and Janmadin Shubhkamnaएं. பிறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். Thank you.
Om Shri Sai Ram. On this divine occasion, I would like to pay my humble gratitude to few people that have come in my life. Amir Bhai, our head office chairman. Amir Bhai, thank you for coping with me. You have been such an inspiration to everyone in our lives. So humble, devoted, always there, listening to everyone, smiling all the time. Thank you, Amir Bhai. Pratap Bhaiya, our international chairperson. Pratap Bhaiya, you have been like a brother dad for me, strong, scolding me at times when I do not listen to you. Thank you, Bhaiya, for being there for me. Dhruva Sairam, through this birthday time, Dhruva Sairam has been supporting us, trying to coordinate with international chapter and Australia as myself, but it wasn't a chapter at that time.
Vignesh,
So,
please come here. என்னோட மியூட் பண்ண இது பண்ண சொல்றா அன்மியூட் பண்ணி பேச சொல்றா என்னோட பேரே வரல எங்க பாரு
sorry about that. So thank you, Dhruva Sairam, for always being there for me. Sairam Chitraraman, can you mute yourself, please? Thank you. Thank you so much. Preeti Didi, She's been with me
உங்க
since
என்னோட
the
பேரே இல்ல
first.
இல்ல என் பேரே இல்லையேடா.
Chitra
சாய்ரா
Raman, can you please mute yourself, please?
மியூட் பண்ணவே என்னோட பேரே வரலையே இதுல எப்படி நான் மியூட் பண்றது இத?
Chitra Raman, I'm going to mute you. Please do not
Just
unmute
a minute.
yourself. Okay, thank
இது
you.
வரவே இல்லையே. இது வரவே இல்லப்பா என் பேரு.
ஓபன் பண்ணு திருப்பி ஜூம் ஓபன் பண்ணு.
பேரே என்னோட சித்ரா ராமா.
Didi,
சித்ரா
she's
ராமா.
not able to find her name. Better you mute.
yourself. Chitra,
I'm not able. I am not able to do anything. Sorry. ஒண்ணுமே வரலப்பா அதுல
आप mute
எங்கப்பா?
कर दीजिए. She's not able to mute.
Sanchita ma'am, being a host, you can mute everyone.
Yeah, I have tried.
Host
I
can mute
muted
everyone.
her. I muted her,
பேரே
and
வரலப்பா
then I
பேரு.
don't know what
Okay,
happened.
keep
It's come back
silent.
again.
Keep silence, don't talk.
Now it's muted. Do
Host
not
has
touch
muted it.
anything, please. Do not touch anything. You are muted. Thank you. Sairam. Do not touch anything, Chitra Raman. You are muted now. Sorry for this, Sairam.
சாய்ரா சாய்ரா ஒண்ணு வர மாட்டேங்குதுப்பா.
Chitra Raman, I had already muted you, so do not touch anything. I'll mute you once again, okay? Do not touch anything now. You are muted. Sairam. Sairam, thank you. Preeti Didi, who has been an inspiration in my life, staying at ashram with her has taught me a lot. So thank you, Preeti Didi. Miral Bhaiya, Gopal Bhaiya, Vijay Ganesh, Vijay Amma, Nagesh Bhaiya, Vijay Kumar, Bipin Bhaiya, Appa, Soumya. Thank you all. Thank you all from my heart.
Sanchita, Achut Baba.
Achut Baba. I was coming there. I was going to come there. I was going to come there. Yeah, thank you everyone for being there for us throughout my throughout my life from day one. Day one, since I met you, you all have been a very, very, very inspirational people in my life. Thank you so much. Coming to Oman, Chitra Amma, Prema, Anupam, Deva, Neha, Sujata, Shushma, Anand, Shamin, Shashmita, Dr. Ratna Kumar, Venkatesh, Arun, Vandana, Kalashrinivasan, Padmini, Krishnamurti, Deba and Hiral, of course. You have been such a big, big support for me through my Wednesday program and in this birthday program as well. Plus, when Swami sent me to Oman, few people had asked me, oh, why were you sent to Oman? At that time, I did not know, but Swami knew that I would need you in my life. Thank you for being there for me all the time. Thank you so much.
சாய்ரா
Chitra Ramanji, somebody is talking. Please wait. Please mute.
I would now like to thank my Nepalese artists, Vinay Lama, Suresh and Babita Manandhar, Rupa Nyopani, Itu and Ram Bhakt Jijoju, Gyanu Rana, Shushan Bala. Thank you everyone for accepting my request in singing the devotional song At Thy Divine Fate of our beloved Bhagwan, Sri Sanjay Sai Baba. I would also like to thank Samin for coping with me and bearing it with me. Samin Beta, thank you so much, Babu. Last but not the least, I'm very humbled and would like to thank my husband, Rajan Koirala, for getting up early in the morning to do Suprabhatam with me, even after his very busy schedule, like working for his office and then his own business. He was always there supporting me, sleeping around 12:31 in the night and getting up early in the morning. It would have been hard for him, but I would like to thank him for doing that for me and for Bhagwan Baba, of course. Bhagwan Baba is the prime center of my life. All I do is for him. So I would like every one of you to come forward and support our programs. It is not possible. We have Swami's blessing, but it's not possible without us devotees. So please be with us. And I know you have been. Thank you so much, everyone. Bhagwan Baba, once again, happy birthday. Charan Sparsh Bhagwan Baba, Tvam Sharanam Mama.
Once again, loving Koti Pranam at the Divine Lotus feet of Bhagwan. It is Bhagwan's mission. There is, I feel that kindly support us. No, we are all together. We are all together and we need to work together. And as Bhagwan's devotees, we have to help everyone and we need to involve in his mission and evolve as a better human being. There is, there is nothing like our program, other program and all. In Bhagwan's mission, everything is one program. So we are all offering to our dearest Bhagwan, and wherever it is possible, everybody to participate, whether it is, Sai Lovers group or chapter group or wherever, because Sai Bhagavatam is vast. So anybody can dive into the ocean and take whatever pearls they can get. This is what it is, so when, some programs with the divine blessings, it is coordinated on Wednesday. So very, very happy because everything is, we are only nimittam. We are only the instrument. The person who is doing everything is our dearest Bhagwan. As long as he has given us breath, we should work and serve him. That is, our Antar Chintan is involve and evolve always. Because whatever negative things others have told about us, we should forgive. We should forgive and forget because our Swami has taught us only to love. So let us all move with this love. As Sanchita was telling, it is only because of, Bhagavan's call that in 2016 I went to Nepal. And the instrument for that is Pratap Bhaiya. Always I am grateful to Pratap Bhai and everybody, because I cannot thank few and leave some. So I just want to thank everybody and especially Oman chapter, all the devotees and all the management committee members, because we are all, all of us are working. There is no leader. There is nothing of heading something. No, we are all serving Swami together. This is what it is. And the same way, may Bhagavan help us to go further. I want to thank Hemashri's father and mother for making beautiful birthday video today of all the ladies, because yesterday till 2 o'clock in the night he was sitting and making. Because he is there, I want to, like whatever small thing, Deba has sung, Tashmita has, so many of them. If I have to thank, it is not enough. The day is not enough. So I only want to pray to Bhagavan, because so many soul blossom children, parents, all are participating in everything. So Swami, grant them long and healthy life, and may everyone feel your presence in the omnipresence, so that they always feel your love, because your love can give us endless hope in life. So with this, happy birthday to you, Swami. We are very happy, because I was not sure whether 33 people will be there, but more are there. It is only because of Bhagwan's grace. All of us will offer Aarti together.
Just a minute, Chitra. Biji Amma, you shook me and I completely forgot I had Achyut Baba's name here. So I would like to go back and, thank him again. Achyut Baba was the first person who introduced me to Swami. So I have always been grateful for him taking me to Swami. He is like a father figure in my life. Like their family and I are very close. So yes, obviously I would like to thank him. Another person I forgot is, it was just before, after Achyut Baba's name, few people who have accepted and said, okay, when I call them, like Swami said, just create a committee, because on the 28th of December, Australia was given a chapter. So, I was told, okay, form a committee so that, it's easy for you to work. So I called the very next day and they accepted it. 2 people from Sydney, 2 people from Brisbane, 1 person from Gold Coast, and 1 person was from Dubbo. So I would like to thank them all today for accepting the Divine Mission's offer. If I have missed anyone, please forgive me, because, I tried to remember everyone as much as I could. So, Sai Ram. Now Aarti, just bear with me.
Asato ma sadgamaya tamaso ma jyotirgamaya mrityorma amritam gamaya. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Sarvesham Swasti Bhavatu. Sarvesham Shanti Bhavatu. Sarvesham Purnam Bhavatu. Sarvesham Mangalam Bhavatu. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
स्वामी प्रसाद में प्रसाद दिख रहा है ना, बाबा दिख रहा है।
जय संजय बाबा
थामेंगे, तेरे झूलने की डोरी को थामेंगे, ते झूलेगा साई हमारा हमारा, आया जन्मदिन तुम्हारा, आया जन्मदिन तुम्हारा। 19 जनवरी को जन्मे है साई मेरे, चमका है जीवन सितारा हमारा, आया जन्मदिन तुम्हारा। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. We love you so much, happy love you so much, happy birthday to Mama, happy birthday to you. Long Sanjay Baba, may you live long, Sanjay Baba. Happy birthday, dear Baba. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
वाचा मनसेन्द्रियात्मना वा प्रकृते स्वभावा करोमि यस्य सकलं परस्मै नारायणायेति समर्पयामि, साईश्वरायेति समर्पयामि। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। समस्त जीवा सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त जीवा सुखिनो भवन्तु, समस्त जीवा सुखिनो भवन्तु। ॐ
राजाधिराज योगिराज सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु भगवान श्री संजय साई महाराज की
जय।
सर्व देवता स्वरूपाय पशुपति वासु भगवान श्री संजय साई भगवान की
जय।
भक्त परिपालन प्रेमावतार भगवान श्री संजय साई बाबा जी की
जय। Charan Sparsh Swami, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Bhagwan Baba. Charan Sparsh.
Birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Bhagwan.
Birthday, Baba. Sai Ram.
Sai Ram.
Happy birthday, Swami.
Happy birthday, Swami. Pranam, Swami.
Happy birthday, Swami.
Happy birthday, Swami. Happy birthday, Swami.
Swami. Happy birthday, Swami. Love you, Swami. Love you, Swami.
பிறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் சுவாமி. கோட்டி பிரணாம்.
Anyone else want to wish?
இனிய பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
జన్మదిన శుభాకాంక్షలు స్వామి.
Charan Sparsh Swami, Tam Charanam Mama.
Yes, happy birthday, Swami.
Happy birthday, Swami. பிறந்த நாள் வாழ்த்துக்கள்.
தமிழ்ல பிறந்த நாள் நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள் சுவாமி. ஹாப்பி பர்த்டே டு யூ.
Okay, I'm going to end the session. Charan Sparsh Bhagwan Baba from Sharanam Mama.
Sai Deva.
From Sharanam Mama.